creamy mango avocado salsa, oven baked salmon, and a coconut jasmine rice. Oh my goodness, guys, today we are going to make this complete meal, so let's cook. So to cook, we start with our salmon pieces, and we are going to drizzle them with olive oil, and then we are going to add a peri-peri seasoning mixture. You can add any seasoning of your choice, but everything I have used is listed down below. Rub all those seasoning well with the oil on the fish, and then I like to squeeze in a good squeeze of freshly squeezed orange juice. The sweetness of that orange juice against the salmon is divine. And again, I'm just collecting all that juices so that the fish can soak this up. Once it's ready, preheat your oven so it will be marinating while your oven is preheating. Place it in the oven, and we're going to cook this until it's fully cooked and tender. It takes about 30 minutes or even less, guys. The recipe, again, as I say, is down below. And now to the rice. So I have my coconut milk, and I'm using the full fat coconut milk, and I love to use this coconut and lime seasoning from Mark & Spencer. Is really a game changer, guys. Bring your liquid to a boil, and then we wash our jasmine rice, and once it's nice and washed, we are going to add this in the boiled coconutty concoction going on there, and then we are going to bring this to a boil, and then reduce heat to simmer and cook until your rice is fully cooked according to your packaging instruction. Okay, so cover and cook this. Once this is cooking, and then we are going now to make our delicious creamy mango and avocado salsa, and we are going to start up with slicing our purple onion as small as you can, and then I like to start with the onion and add a little bit of lime juice and salt, and keep it on the side so that once I'm slicing others, it's kind of like removing that bitterness of the onion, if you know what I mean, so it's not too sharp. So slice that, add a little bit of lime juice, a little bit of salt, mix well, and then set aside. Okay, so you're going to set it aside as I mentioned, and then we're going to start slicing the rest of the salad ingredient. So your red bell pepper, try to slice them as small as the onion so that they're kind of uniform. Okay, I don't know, maybe I just like things uniform. Okay, and then you add it in the onion on this in your salad bowl, and the same thing with the mango. So we slice it first and remove the skin, and then we're going to dice it again, trying to make sure everything is just the same size here. Okay, so you dice it and then add this on top of your salad ingredient. Don't mix it yet, just allow that onion at the bottom to kind of cut through that sharpness. So add everything into your salad bowl and don't mix it. And then we are going to use avocado, and make sure your avocado is nice and ripe because it creates a delicious creaminess in this salsa. And again, slice it into our salad bowl. If you have watched up until now, do not forget to give us a like, guys, and give us a comment. It really helps with the algorithm. And if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. And then we're going to continue cooking, and we add in a handful of fresh coriander, and I just have a little pot that I always grow them by my window side in the kitchen. So finely chop those and then add them to your salad. They really add in some freshness. Trust me, it's really good. So do not skip on that. Add them to your salad. And now we are going to mix this well. You can even mix this way ahead and keep this in the fridge. But because this was dinner and under 30 minutes, we're just making everything while the food is cooking. So for my dressing, I just added lime juice, olive oil, and then I'm going to season with a little bit of salt and pepper just to my taste. Okay, and then you mix this well. As I mentioned, the full recipe or what I used exactly is listed down below, so do not forget to check the description box, guys. Okay, this is looking so good. Mix this well, and then you're going to cover this and just keep it in the fridge until you're ready to serve. Isn't this beautiful, guys? Oh, give me a thumbs up if you're loving this already. And now by this time our food is ready. Our coconut rice is ready. This rice was so good. And now we're just going to fluff it up and ready to serve. And also the salmon is out of the oven. It's looking nice and it was so good. So we are going to head and plate this. You can plate this straight away in your kitchen, but I just like to plate this and bring everything at the table so that you can serve yourself to your liking. But here we have it. And don't forget that lime juice, just to add a little extra something when we serve the dish. And here it is, so delicious and yet so quick and easy to make. Oh, I really hope you inspired, guys. So to serve, I start with the bed of the coconut rice. We add our grilled fish or oven baked fish. We put our salsa, and then we can finish with a squeeze of lime juice. Oh my goodness, so delicious. I hope you're inspired, and thank you so much for watching.